Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you get and claim free coupons and rewards into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this icon into top left corner. Just simply tap into that, and after that you will get this option of rewards into quick access. Simply select rewards and you will be directed to a new page where you will get this option of coupon center. Just simply tap to coupon center, and after that you will get this page of rewards and exclusive task. Now you will get all of the coupons which are to be claimed into this section, where you will just simply have to tap into accept if there is any coupons to be claimed. Now you just simply have to tap to accept, and after completing the task you can easily get the coupons for free. And if you have any other task going on, you can see all of them into this page. This way you can easily claim and get rewards and coupon into your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.